it's me, Emily here, and I'm trying to be really quiet because I don't want Evelyn to hear me. So basically, I'm trying to set up another prank to do on Evelyn because you guys really want me to prank her, and I'm going to try and prank her, and I'm basically going to do like a blindfolded slime challenge, but then I'm gonna like take my blindfold off and she won't know because she has the blindfold on. So I'm going to ask my mom if we can film this video and I can prank Evelyn and like totally ruin her slime, so when she takes her blindfold off she has like goop instead of slime. So I really hope she doesn't hear me, and let's go ask my mom if we can do this challenge. Hi Mommy and Daddy, I have a really good idea for a video and I really want to do it.
Why do I think this is not going to sound good?
Because it is going to sound good. Okay, so I have an idea. So we're going to tell Evelyn that we're doing a blindfolded slime challenge. So we're just making slime blindfolded. So she doesn't know that I'm going to actually take my blindfold off when we start the challenge. And she won't be able to see me because she has her blindfold on. And she just thinks that I'm doing the challenge, not knowing what I'm picking, but I do know what I'm picking, and I can add stuff into her slime, so like I can get all the pretty items, and I can leave her all the weird items and add stuff into her slime.
Oh, no, that's so mean.
Well, it's better than putting shaving cream on my pancakes.
Yeah, she did that to you.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
She's not gonna like it. Your sister is gonna be so mad.
But it's gonna be funny.
Shh. Okay, so can I do it?
Well, it's up to you. So.
Well, I'm going to do
And you're
it.
just gonna be picking colors, right? That's it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna add some stuff to her slime.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing bad though.
Nothing
Like,
too crazy.
Yeah, nothing too
Yeah.
crazy. I don't want her to be like mad.
Okay, but she can always just make another slime.
That's true.
So yeah.
Okay.
Hi guys, it's me, Emily, and Evelyn from Two Sisters Toy Style, and today we are going to be doing a really fun challenge, and that is the blindfolded slime making challenge. So we are going to be blindfolded with our panda blindfolds, and we're going to turn into a panda again. Yeah, and we are going to try to make a slime blindfolded. So we have pretty good items here, nice some pink and blue, purples, green, yellow. Yeah, nice glues. Activator. Yeah, we have our activator, our shaving cream, and a bunch of glitters and beads that we can maybe add into our slime because they might fall over the floor. So we're going to just try to make slime blindfolded, and we're going to see how it turns out. And then you guys have to comment down below whose slime turned out better. So let's start and put on our blindfold so we can start this challenge. Okay. Evelyn, you can't see, right? No. You can't see? Okay. Yeah. Let's start. Wait a minute. This is not one of those pranking challenges, Emily, right? No. Why would I do that? No, I don't. Pranking was so 2017. Okay, I'm gonna feel your face. Is this your face? That's my mouth. I'm not gonna put a blindfold there. These are my eyes. And that's also my nose. What are you doing? You're pulling it off. Okay then. I hear something. I was just fixing it. You put my blindfold on your mouth. I mean, on my mouth. See, I'm not cheating. This is not a prank, okay? Okay, come on, let's just pick some glues. I'm gonna pick this glue. I think I hit something. What color is this? Are you getting up? No. Oh, then what were you doing? Was that mango? I think that was mango. I mean, I'm not doing anything. Okay. Which glue should I pick? Is this all? I don't know. I can't see. I hope this is the bowl. Okay, that's all. And the bottle. I think that's all in the bottle. Should I pick this one? I want glitter glue, and this one feels like a glitter glue, so I'm gonna take it. Oh, I wanted all the glitter glues. Ah! Oh no! Well, I took. I really want to have like a really glittery glitter glue slime, but I guess she took some. Well, this thick does not feel like the normal Elmer's glitter glues. Yeah, because they like I heard that they like redid the plastic or something for 2019. I don't know. Read it on the Elmer Glue website. I don't go on that. This one. I think I just dropped something. You're laughing. Yeah, because I just dropped something. Like, why wouldn't I laugh? What? Get off of my face! Ew, you're looking at my nose. Oh, well, I didn't know. Now, what should I pick? I think I'm going to pick some shaving cream. You keep on moving your thing. What? Stop assuming things that are not true. Fine, then you don't have a blindfold on. I bet you're moving your thing too. No. You seriously felt. What? Big squeaky! What? Oops! What was that? Wait, did it really go that far? Oops, and I'm not good at aiming, I can tell. This is weird. Okay, I want shade. No! Don't touch me. What? What is happening? Where's the shaving cream? Did you take my shaving cream? What happened? No, I didn't. I don't even know where the shaving cream is. Oh, what's this? It feels like glitter. I guess I'm gonna use that. Here it is. It feels weird. That's because our mom couldn't find the other shaving creams. It feels different. Ooh, did I do anything wrong? This one. Oh, that was bad. Okay. Pull. Okay, I'm gonna add this one. This is really hard. I hope Emily's doing. This is getting. Okay. Let me try to find the glue. Oh, this one looks good. I think it's gonna fall. Oops. Okay. Let's see what else I want to add. Maybe this one. What are you doing, Emily? I think I have some paint. I'm trying to get the thing open. Oh my god, I really hope this doesn't squirt all over me. Oh yeah, I want to add some paint. That's my bowl. What was that? What is this? Glitter? Sure! Okay, I'm gonna add paint. I don't know which glitter it is, but I hope I got the silver one. These are pretty. Really hope I'm picking the good colors. What's this? I think it's another glitter. Yeah, sure. Why not? Okay, where are those pretty colors? I want the pink one. Is this? Okay, I'm not gonna add a lot because I don't know if this is really the pink. Emily, what are you doing? I don't know, I'm just kind of adding some extra stuff and I'm stirring. I think I just added some more paint. I wonder which color I got. What glitter is this? Is this glitter? Oh, I think these are the micro beads. I didn't see micro beads on the table. Do you switch things around? No. Hey, stop touching me. I swear I'm blindfolded. Stop. Okay, should I stir? I mean, I guess so. Okay. I think mine's gonna look way better than Evelyn's. I have a feeling this is really messy. Mine feels messy. You covered me in shaving cream on purpose. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. Huh? Emily, are you activating? Emily, I think I'm gonna activate, but I don't really know what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more paint because I feel like my color's not that good. Now I have a feeling that my color's gonna be good. If I added the right paint. I mean, we did pick pretty good looking things. Oh my dog! This is a pranking video! I heard you laugh! Ew, get off my cheek. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with the activator now. This does not sound good. Yeah, I agree with you. I wonder what you added. I wonder what you added. I didn't add anything. Yeah, I think I should just put my hands in. Me too. I think my slime is about ready. I like the crunch and the texture of this. And it kind of smells like a sugar cookie. Did we add scents? I don't know. How you doing there, Evelyn? I think I already have my slime. I think I just need 1 more minute. Let's add some beads. I want some more beads in my slime. It's kind of rippy. Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's take our blindfolds off. 1, 2, 3. What? My slime looks like poo. What did you do? We did not have these glues. Emily, you cheated. I knew you cheated. And what are these? Spiders. You There you go. Mix it! Oh, I want your slime. I feel so bad. No wonder my hands were like they felt weird. And my slime stinks. What did you add? I didn't add anything. You added whipped cream into your slime. You added whipped cream. No, I actually didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. You added all that stuff. I just replaced them. I can't believe you ruined my slime. It looks like a manure. Well, you are wearing a t-shirt with horses on it, so maybe one of those horses went over and pooped in your slime while you were looking. Not funny. Okay guys, so we both ended up with slime. I ended up with like a really, really fluffy slime and it has beads in it because I just added some. You ended up with a cheating slime. Yeah, you are a cheater and I ended up with poop. Cool. That's some pretty poop if you ask me. Some rude Emily if you ask me. Well, whatever. You pranked me and what? Now I prank you. I never pranked you. You put shaving cream on my waffles. I mean pancakes, but okay. Comment down if you think this was, whatever. Comment down below if you think this was a good prank and if I did it properly. And also comment down below whose slime is better, even though I think we all know that it's mine. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe and bye. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's free. Click on one of the pictures to see more fun videos. Remember to like and share.